So minor bedroom. So again, they've done a sliding door here out to the backyard. I like that. Built-in robe, and it's a good size. Excellent. And the other side, yes, built-in robe. Geez, it's a good sized bedroom. And I like how these bedrooms are off this activity room. So this is another little play area. Back up through here, looks like bathroom. Wow, already, geez, I like the inlay there with that timber niche. Love the full height tiling. Plenty of room there in the bath. And look at this. Love those louver windows. And then onto a huge mirror. Big basin, plenty of drawers. Look at this. I like that. So there's been a brief here. I want drawers and I want certain size, so we can do that. That's very cool. Okay, so shower. Geez, I like that. And look at this, 2 niches. This bottom one, what's that for? Legs? Maybe. Again with the glazing overhead with the louvers. Love that big round head. That's cool. Very glamorous. Coming out of the bath, they're into where the toilet is, and they've put a vanity there, of course. So when a vanity's in a toilet, we call it a powder room. So they can service, the activity room's just nearby. What room we've got left? Laundry. Okay, so plenty of bench top, overhead cupboards, and off to the side here, aluminium frame door. Access to the side of the yard clothesline. Double glazed doors here, what's going on? More storage. Being clever, with space, push a wall out underneath another room and putting a storage into the hallway. I love that. And off here, minor bedroom. So good size, built-in robe, works well.